You got the guts to do it?
To what, the ring on the doorbell and run to the car?
Yeah.
You think I'm pussy? This is so sketchy. They're like black neighbor vans just stopping. Bro, that's so far away.
As you walk in, we hit the button and we drive off.
Go, I hit it. I banged on it.
Honestly, respect. I did not think you were gonna do it. See, that's why my favorite rapper is better than yours. It was fun though.
Yeah.
The adrenaline.
Yeah, it was hell. I don't think my dad is, man. You run into certain areas, these black man. He might pop out with a gun.